Good morning, good morning. A pounding went my head, the whole world seemed to sway. Continuous the ache upon my brow would lay. Talking sounds like screams directly in my ear. The beating of my heart brings a vicious cheer. My eyes too red to see, the sun is just too bright. I must have done something, but I barely remember last night. I seem to remember the dancing and the guests. They all seemed so happy and wished me the best. I went down to get my paper. I thought of what I had done. A smile came to my face. I remember having fun. The sun is rising, and without warning I saw my neighbor going to work. And I just said, good morning. I just said, good morning. I just said, good morning. Another day, another dawning. I just said, good morning.